Gentlemen, summer gives you that nice excuse to add that bit of color to your personality and to your wardrobe. And what better way than to start off with a nice shirt? In this video, I'm going to show you a couple of Madras shirts and how to integrate them into your current summer rotation. Hi, this is Swapnil and you're watching The Classic Dandy. Gentlemen, so what exactly is a Madras shirt? Madras shirt is made out of fabric called Madras, which is lightweight and hand woven and in cotton fabric. Peculiar thing about Madras shirt is that it comes in patterns like plaid or checks. A Madras fabric is made using vegetable dyes. These vegetable dyes gives it muted and softer colors. Now, since it is 100% cotton and really soft in nature, it makes it perfect for the summers. As the name suggests, Madras, it originated from the city of Madras in Tamil Nadu, which is in modern times known as Chennai as well. Gentlemen, Madras comes in various forms. It could come in the form of jacket, shirt, blazer, even accessories, shorts and trousers. So it's up to you, how do you want to integrate Madras fabric into your current rotation. In my personal opinion, Madras is a perfect fabric to be added to your summer wardrobe. It adds a bit of panache and color to your personality as well. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 Madras shirts and how to integrate them with your current summer rotation. All the looks that you're going to see on the video will be posted on Instagram as well. Check out my Instagram handle. If you like the content, make sure to follow. Gentlemen, here is our first Madras shirt. It is beautiful. This particular Madras shirt comes in this lovely and bright cobalt color. Now, as you can see, even though it's bright cobalt, it has this peculiar muted and softer appeal. Makes it a perfect choice for the scorching heat. Now, as this particular shirt has a very casual vibe to it, I have just folded up my sleeves and I have paired it with very regular fit chinos. Now, these particular chinos are an acquired taste, so it would take some time, but if you want, you can go for slim fit as well. Finishing off this particular outfit with some Stan Smiths. Gentlemen, if you thought a Madras shirt can only play a casual role in your wardrobe, well, let me tell you that you can definitely prep up your Madras shirt. Here I'm wearing this lovely bright orange color Madras shirt, which is apt for the summers. Now, I have thrown on a sport coat, rather a seersucker sport coat. This seersucker sport coat comes in the color of white and blue. I would recommend you not to throw on a pocket square with this. This is a very casual outfit, and as you can see, the seersucker sport coat complements the shirt and the bottoms really well. For my bottoms, I'm wearing very simple 501s. These are in straight fit, and to finish off this outfit, I'm wearing some very simple navy blue loafers. If you wish, you can go for brown or black loafers for this particular outfit as well. Gentlemen, another recommendation for a Madras shirt would be a patchwork Madras shirt. Patchwork Madras shirt is very bold in nature and it is again a very acquired taste. Patchwork has its own peculiar vibe to it, so it would take some time for the shirt to blend in with the rest of your wardrobe. The good thing about it is that it's right out there and it's bold. But if you actually pair it with muted colors like navy blue or khaki or even something like white denims, this would look great. Gentlemen, I have worn it with some navy blue linen shorts. Now, these shorts has a very denim appearance to it. If you want, you can go for simple chino shorts as well. And as you know, if I'm wearing shorts during summers, I will pair it with espadrilles, and these are beautiful espadrilles in this tobacco brown color. I would suggest you, if you can find something similar, make sure to make it a part of your wardrobe. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and let me know in comments if there is any other specific video that you would want me to make. Until next time, thanks for watching.